doing, Mom? Why are you worried?
I'm looking for a perfect Easter dish, and I still don't know what to do. There are only 2 weeks left.
You may cook chicken and potatoes, as always.
I don't want to do anything as always.
Maybe some pork.
Auntie Gertrude doesn't like it.
So, you made some turkey?
Turkey is not a Polish traditional dish. It's American.
American? Wow! Why do only Americans can eat it?
Our American friends have a special day called Thanksgiving Day. They celebrate it every year on the 4th Thursday of November.
What happened this day? Why is it so important?
Thanksgiving Day first started in New England. It was for thanking a god for the harvest of crops. This is usually in autumn when the crops have been harvested.
New England? What is it? So where is the Old England?
There isn't any Old England, darling. New England means new land. It is connected to the discovery of America.
I know it. Mrs. Dragon told us about it on history lesson. You are talking about Christopher Columbus.
Well known. What else do you know about this time?
Well, I guess nothing more.
Sit down comfortably. We will tell you a long story.
Columbus was an explorer. In 1492, he sailed from Europe to America. He crossed the Atlantic Ocean, not knowing where they would land. It was a trip into the unknown. After Columbus, other Europeans began to explore and settle in America.
Wow, he is a really big hero. He discovered such a big America.
Columbus did not discover America. There were many people already living there. Vikings from Europe had landed in America 500 years before, but Columbus did not know that. His voyage started many other expeditions.
So, were there any other big heroes?
Of course, they are, but discovery of land was easier than settling there.
But why? America is so beautiful and hot.
You are right. Now it is an amazing, beautiful place to live. But 500 years ago, this place was very dangerous. Europeans didn't realize how to fight with different American weather, natural conditions, animals, illnesses, or Native Americans.
Many villages died, sometimes even we don't know why.
More than 100 years after Columbus, a group of brave 102 people started their expeditions to America. Their ship was named Mayflower. They were called Pilgrims.
What happened to them? Were they okay?
The Pilgrims first set foot at Plymouth in 1620. The first winter was really bad and 46 pilgrims died. It is believed that the Indians helped the Pilgrims, and without them, the Pilgrims would not have survived.
In the following springs, Indians taught them how to plant corn, pumpkins, beans, peas, how to catch fish, and hunt. People celebrate the harvest and to thanks for the help given to the colonists by the Indians with a feast. The feast lasted for 3 days. The Pilgrims gave Indians turkey to thank for surviving.
Okay, now I know. Amazing.
Now all the people around the world know this tradition.
Oh, I haven't heard such a cool story for ages. Thanks, Mom, Dad. Let's do the turkey for our Easter. Oh, please, please. How do Americans celebrate it now?
Today, Thanksgiving Day is usually a family dinner. Roast turkey is a favorite dish on this day. The Christians also go to church, thanking God for all the blessings for the year.